Hi and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Susan Brown, Director of the Center for Better Bones. At the Center for Better Bones for now 2 decades and more, we have been working to develop the world's best holistic natural program to build bone mass, to maintain bone mass, and even to reverse osteoporosis. There's several components to this Better Bones, Better Body program. They involve nutrition, obtaining all the 20 key nutrients, and developing our alkaline for life diet. It involves stress reduction, it involves building digestion, it involves even working with the androgen and the hormonal system, and of course it involves exercise. Today we're going to talk about the exercise component of the Better Bones, Better Body program, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what one of our clients was able to do. We can say safely that anytime we build muscle, we build bone. But there's certain types of exercise that place more load on the bone. Certain ways we move or lift weights that actually load the bone, load the hips, load the shoulders, load the arm, whatever. And when we load the bone, we actually bend the bone a little, and that causes a signal to be sent to build bone. Recently, I wrote about one of our clients named Cyndi, who was a health enthusiast all her life, but at 65, she found she all of a sudden lost a lot of bone, even though she was doing a kind of standard exercise program. So she began researching, and with the inspiration of her son, a trainer, she decided to do serious weightlifting, what you could call technical weightlifting, very similar to the Olympic weightlifting we used to see on the TV. Cyndi did this weightlifting program for 1.5 years, and she gained an unbelievable 20% in the neck of the hip, a 10% in the total hip, and a 5% in the spine. These were really remarkable and actually unprecedented gains. When I wrote about this, many of you asked, what did she do? How did she possibly do that? So we have written a comprehensive blog on her whole program, the evolution of how she moved from regular strength training and aerobic to this more intense strength training that led to her bone gains. But a lot of you ask, what exactly did she do? What were the exercises? So today, I have with me Heather Felice. Heather is a student in nutrition. She's just finishing her degree in nutrition at Syracuse University. We're lucky enough that she works with us when she has a little extra time. Heather's helped develop many of the fine materials we produce at the Center for Better Bones. And today, she's going to help us here because, as it turns out, Heather is really a weightlifter. She loves to lift weights, she does it frequently, and she knows how to do these weights properly. So I've asked Heather to walk me through the exercises, or to allow me to demonstrate for you these exercises that Cyndi did. So Heather, how many exercises did Cyndi do now?
We have a total of 6. 3 are upper body and 3 more lower body.
So 3 of them built the strength of the upper body, loaded the bones in the upper body, the spine, the shoulders, and 3 of them loaded the hips and the legs. Mm-hmm. Okay, friends, well, you'll have some fun. I'm stepping up to the bat here and going to show you these, even though I do all kinds of exercise, but I haven't done a lot of weightlifting like this before. So you're going to see what a novice looks like when they try this, and Heather's going to make sure we have at least proper form. If you decide to do these at home, remember you should get a trainer. When you start lifting heavy weights, you definitely want a trainer. I'm going to do a lot of these exercises without heavy weights just to show you the basic form. And I would say that Cyndi, what was it she told us? That she spent a long time doing these exercises without any weights.
Yeah, she spent about a month at home, or maybe at the gym, but just teaching herself the form to make sure that she wouldn't get hurt when she did add weight.
So just like when I do a squat, you can imagine doing it, but without any weights. And that's what she did for a whole month. The form is very important. Okay, have fun. You ready, Heather?
We're ready.
Let's do it.